patrol car coming from down there. Hopefully nothing else come. Any of them cars gonna turn. 4S challenge. 1721 4S challenge. Show that it's connected. Hit track, start. After this car, see if I can get a pass in. Try to take it way down there a little bit. Now let's turn it around. Look at my red light working, huh? See? I look a little straight. I look empty that way. See if I can get a pass in. I be losing power in the middle of my run. Gotta figure out why. Has the car lost signal? Yeah, I ain't got no control over the car. Something happened. Power cut somehow. I'm blinking out there in the middle of the street. Got power on me at 138, it say. Stop. Read. 139. But I didn't bring it back and it cut power on me, so don't count. I can't count this one. Figure it out. And go home and figure it out. Try it again tomorrow. Okay, 1721 4S challenge. Show that it's on the car. Okay. Track, start. Alright, let's see if I can get a good pass in. Oh shit. Here come another car. Oh man. As soon as I get ready, here come another car. See if I can get in real quick. Alright, here I come. I might have, what's the name again? Yep, it did it again. Car stuck. Overamped it again.